YouTube creators are wasting hundreds of dollars on AI video tools, when Google just released a completely free AI video generator that can do almost everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Vids, Google's new AI-powered video creation tool, to create full videos from text, generate AI avatars with lip sync, build scripts automatically, and produce high-quality content for YouTube.
You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because you don't control what you keep. Most people focus on income, but real wealth? It's built on habits, not paychecks.
Without paying for AI video generator tools. This is one of the most powerful free AI tools for content creators in 2026, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. So if you want to create YouTube videos faster, grow your channel, and start making money with AI content, watch this video all the way through, because I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know. Let me give you a bit of context before we jump in. The tool is called Google Vids. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Oh yeah, I have heard of that. But here is what most people do not know. Google Vids was previously locked behind a paid subscription. Only pro users had access to the full experience. But Google quietly pushed out a free update, and now anyone with a Gmail account can log in and start creating. That is a massive deal, because right now, if you look at the landscape of AI video tools, literally every single option out there is behind a paywall. Some of them are expensive monthly subscriptions, some offer tiny free trials that disappear fast, and a few that were actually free have been completely removed. So having a fully functional Google-powered tool available for free is genuinely rare, and it is not going to stay this way forever. Tools like this get monetized eventually. So if you are serious about content creation, this is the moment to move. Now, let me be clear about what Google Vids actually is, because it is not just a text-to-video generator in the basic sense. It is a complete content production system. We are talking about AI video generation, image creation, voiceover generation, AI avatars, stock footage libraries, copyright-free music, captions, and script-to-video automation, all inside one platform. You do not need to jump between 5 different apps anymore. Everything lives in one place, and that alone saves creators hours every single week. Alright, so let me take you through how you actually get started. Head over to Google Vids and sign in with your regular Gmail account. The sign-in process is straightforward, nothing complicated. Once you are inside, you will immediately notice that the interface is clean and organized. You are not going to feel overwhelmed. Google has designed this to be intuitive even if you have never used an AI video tool before. The first thing you will spot is access to VEO, which is Google's video generation model. This is the backbone of the whole experience. VEO is free to use inside Google Vids, and that is significant because this same technology powers other platforms that charge you monthly to access it. Inside Google Vids, there are 6 different ways to create video content, and I want to walk you through the most powerful ones so you can see exactly what this tool is capable of. The first and most impressive method is the text-to-video generator. Click into it, and you will land on a clean dashboard where you have 2 main options. You can create a video from scratch using a written prompt, or you can animate an existing image. Let us start with creating from scratch because this is where the magic really begins. Before you just type anything in, pay attention here because doing this correctly makes a huge difference in your output quality. Write your prompt thoughtfully. Think about the scene you want, the mood, the setting, and the action happening. Then select your aspect ratio, whether that is vertical for Reels and Shorts or horizontal for YouTube. Hit generate, and within less than a minute, your video clip is ready. The speed here is actually faster than Google Flow, which is impressive given the quality you get back. The results are cinematic, detailed, and look nothing like the choppy AI footage you might have seen from early generation tools. Now here is where things get even more interesting for storytellers and faceless channel creators. If you want character consistency across multiple scenes, which is something that has historically been a massive challenge in AI video, Google Vids has a solution for that too. You simply add a character prompt in the image section, generate your character visually, download that image, and then use it as a reference when animating your scenes. When I tested this, The characters stayed visually consistent from scene to scene in a way that felt genuinely cohesive. That is a game changer for anyone building story-driven content or animated series for YouTube. The second major use case is text-to-image generation. Now, before you scroll past this thinking images are not that useful, let me stop you right there. Image-based videos are performing incredibly well on YouTube right now. Channels in niches like finance, history, true crime, and motivation are getting millions of views using image-driven content with voiceover narration. And you can build entire videos in that exact format using Google Vids. Let us say you are working in the finance niche. You write your script, you break it into sections, and for each section, you generate a corresponding image using the text-to-image tool. Copy your prompt, paste it in, hit generate, and your visual is ready. The consistency across images, even without a reference image uploaded, is surprisingly strong. Then you can animate those images directly inside the platform, adding subtle motion that makes static visuals feel alive and engaging. And here is the feature that makes the whole workflow seamless. Voiceover generation is built directly into the tool. You do not need to go to a separate TTS platform, download a file, bring it back into your editor, and try to sync everything up. You just add your narration text inside Google Vids, choose from 7 different AI narrator voices, and generate your audio right there. The variety of voices covers different tones and styles, from calm and authoritative to energetic and motivating. Choosing the right voice matters a lot more than people realize. A mismatched voice can kill engagement even when the visuals are great. Pick the one that fits the mood of your content, and your audience will feel the difference. Now let me show you the third use case, which might honestly be the most powerful for people who want to build a content channel fast without spending hours scripting and editing. It is the storyboard feature, and it is essentially a full script-to-video pipeline. You type in your topic, hit generate, and Google Vids creates a complete, structured outline for your video. You can review that outline to fact-check and adjust before moving forward. Then you select a template, and the tool automatically builds a full video complete with voiceover, music, visuals, and transitions. Every single element is assembled without you manually putting anything together. The videos come out at around 2 minutes in length, but the production quality is genuinely impressive. They look professionally edited, not as something slapped together by an algorithm. I tested this with a video about shark facts and another about Switzerland, and both came out looking like content you would expect from an established educational channel. And here is the kicker. When you export and check the copyright status on the content produced this way, it comes back clean. You can publish these directly to YouTube without worrying about claims. The fourth use case is one that businesses and side hustle creators are going to love: UGC-style ad creation. UGC ads, which stand for user-generated content style advertising, are among the highest converting ad formats right now because they feel authentic and relatable rather than polished and corporate. With Google Vids powered by VEO3 on the back end, you can create convincing UGC-style video ads using AI. The workflow goes like this. Take your product image and bring it into ChatGPT to generate a UGC ad script. ChatGPT is genuinely good at writing this format. Then ask it to break that script into individual scene prompts. Take those prompts into Google Vids, upload your product image, add each scene prompt one at a time, and generate your clips. You can even include an influencer-style image if you want that authentic creator feel. Stitch your clips together on the canvas, and you have a complete ad that looks like real user testimonial content. The production quality coming out of VEO3 makes this feel natural rather than obviously artificial. Now, let us talk about the fifth use case, which is actually behind a paid tier but worth knowing about: AI avatars. Inside Google Vids, you get access to a library of pre-built AI avatars you can select and use immediately. But what makes this extra interesting is the custom avatar builder. You can describe the avatar you want and generate a completely original AI face for your content. Then you write your script, assign it to that avatar, hit generate, and you get a video of that avatar speaking your script with smooth lip sync and natural voice delivery. This adds a human element to automation channels that builds trust with viewers. It is not perfect in the free tier, but for pro users, the quality is impressive, and the lip sync is smooth enough to use in real published content. Beyond all 5 of those core features, There are additional tools built into Google Vids that would cost you money on other platforms. Captions, for example, are now a paid feature in CapCut, but they are free inside Google Vids, and you get multiple style options to match your brand aesthetic. The stock footage library is extensive too. Search for any topic, and you get a wide selection of relevant clips to pull into your projects. The same goes for background music, both curated tracks and AI-generated music. Everything is organized inside the platform, so your projects stay tidy and accessible. Since it is cloud-based, your videos save automatically, and you can share completed projects with a single shareable link. So that's how you can use Google Vids, one of the best free AI video tools right now, to create high-quality YouTube content, AI videos, and even automated channels without spending money. If you're serious about YouTube automation, AI content creation, and making money online in 2026, this is a tool you should start using immediately, before it becomes paid like most other AI platforms. Now, if you want to learn how to turn videos like this into a real income stream, click the next video on your screen where I break down exactly how to monetize your content step by step. And if this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more videos on YouTube growth, AI tools, and monetization strategies, because that's what we focus on here. I'll see you in the next one.